Okay, problem 8 is here for those people that are taking physics and love physics. So imagine that you have like this ball or like this point, and like so this point, like you have like three chains pulling away from this point, no? So I have a chain, I have a guy that is pulling this point with 36 newtons. I have, remember that Newton is a way of measuring force. Then I have another guy pulling that point with F newtons. I don't know like how many newtons, but like F, this is a value that I don't know. And then I have a guy pulling the same point with 50 newtons completely horizontally, no? And like this point is in equilibrium, no? That means that it is not moving. So, like the resulting force applied to this red point is 0, no? So, for example, how can we get the amount of force that it's being applied by this blue person? Okay, so we need to add up the horizontal components of the three forces. So the horizontal components, remember, are like there is a special function to do this. This is super cool. Is there? Ah, sí, it is. O sea, the horizontal component, this is the horizontal component. The horizontal component is this part, no, this horizontal part, and then the horizontal component is this horizontal part, and this orange thing is all horizontal component, no? So like, these parts are the horizontal components, and these parts here are the vertical components, no? So if I add the horizontal components, that is like the 50 newtons, what is this horizontal component? Well, if you use your SOHCAHTOA, that is plus 36, because 36 is the length, times the cosine of 25, no? O sea, that will give you, remember that will give you the adjacent leg of a right triangle, no? And then to find the other adjacent leg from the blue triangle, you would have to do, o sea, like this is F, it has a length of F, and it has an angle of 17. So like this is like, to find this side, you need to find the adjacent side, you need to find cosine, and like this adds up to 0, no? Porque, sorry, this is negative 50, no? Porque it is pulling from the other side. Okay? In this case, this one, you can end solve it because it is a linear equation. You just plug it into your calc, mark it as f is your variable, and that is 18.2. Not rounded into significant figures. So, I think that is a very cool problem. Now let us do, what is the vertical component of the resultant force? So I need to add up the two vertical components, no? So, like, what vertical force is this point experiencing? So, like, it is experiencing, like, the sum of this force plus this force. So, I just need to do, like, to find the opposite side, I need to use, instead of cosine, sine. So, that is 36 sine of 25. Plus, minus, porque this one is going into the opposite direction. These physics people. Minus f, that I already know that is 18.2, times the sine of 17. You put that into your calculator, and that is 9.90. So it is actually 9.90. I hated this problem. Hated it. O sea, but like the big idea that you need to take from this problem is that when you have like a diagram of forces, you can decompose each force into its vertical and horizontal components. So like when you want the horizontal components, you can add them all up, and when you want the vertical components, you can add them all up. Like this orange force, I did not mention it, but the orange force is it's not bringing any vertical component no to the equation. Uh, well, yeah, that's it. Problem 8. Woo!